Deel and BambooHR. Two big names in global HR tech, but which one really delivers? On the left, Deel, powering worldwide payroll and compliance. And on the right, BambooHR, the HR platform made for teams who want a beautifully simple experience. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what actually matters. We'll give points for each key category. So by the end, you'll see exactly which platform comes out ahead. And trust me, the results might just surprise you. Here's the game plan. We're comparing both Deel and BambooHR across global payroll and compliance, core HR and employee management, price, user experience, integrations and ecosystem, best use case for each platform, and support and customer experience. So it's going to be a full-on side-by-side, every major category that matters. Let's kick it off with global payroll and compliance. So first up, Deel. This is literally Deel's playground. They handle international payroll in over 100 countries, automate all those tricky local tax rules, and even offer employer of record for folks hiring across borders. Pretty wild, right? The only thing is, it kind of sits outside the full HRMS package. So don't expect performance reviews or org charts baked in. Now, BambooHR, yeah, it's more about the US and Canada. They do payroll as an add-on, and they've really nailed domestic compliance. But let's be real, it doesn't hold a candle to Deel on global stuff. So for this round, you already know. Deel takes the win here, no contest. Moving on to core HR and employee management. Deel makes onboarding pretty darn easy, especially for remote folks or contractors. But, you're going to notice it's a bit lighter on core HR features. Stuff like advanced performance management, not really their jam. Flip over to BambooHR, and this is exactly where they shine. Centralized employee data, tracking time off, benefits, performance management, the whole deal. Plus, their onboarding flows are super straightforward and even kind of fun. Just keep in mind, if you go international, you'll hit some limits. But between the two, BambooHR absolutely pulls ahead for core HR and people management. All right, let's talk price. Deel's actually pretty upfront. They start at $49 a month, which is nice if you hate hunting for hidden numbers. Plus, they're flexible, whether you've got contractors or full-on employees. But heads up, there's no free trial. BambooHR, on the other hand, offers a free trial, which is great, but their pricing is kinda behind closed doors, so you have to reach out for a quote. And honestly, every add-on bumps up your cost. So while both have quirks, Deel's transparent pricing slides ahead here. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Deel can pay teams in more than 150 currencies, which is downright nuts for international ops. BambooHR, on the other hand, brings its playful vibe with that animated bamboo forest right on the dashboard. Just a nice touch to brighten your HR day. Who doesn't want that? Anyway, quick fun fact before we jump back into the main comparison. Next, user experience. Deel's got this clean, modern layout. People rave about how easy it is, especially for onboarding. Sometimes the permission setup can get fuzzy. Yeah, not a deal breaker, but worth calling out. Now, BambooHR. The dashboard is super intuitive, and it's got these fun little UI touches, like literally animated bamboo forests. Navigation is usually awesome, though a few reviews say some parts look a bit retro and can be clunky. All in all, honestly, this one's a tie. Both have happy fans and a couple quirks. On to integrations and ecosystem. Deel lets you hook in via API, and there are nice connections to accounting platforms. But truth be told, it's a little short on the heavier HR integrations. BambooHR, now they're all about syncing up with tools like QuickBooks, applicant tracking systems, and even benefits providers. Though sometimes it takes a bit more setup to get the advanced stuff rolling. Again, it's really a toss-up here. Both play well with others, but neither is totally bulletproof. All right, let's get to best use case. Deel is literally made for globally distributed teams and remote management. That's their sweet spot. If you're hiring around the world with contractors or employees in different countries, Deel just works. But for a team that's all in one office somewhere in the States, it's kind of more than you need. BambooHR is perfect for small, medium US businesses. Those that want friendly, reliable core HR and onboarding, but aren't juggling compliance in 50 different countries. So Deel wins for remote-first global ops. Easy call. Last core category, support and customer experience. Deel comes in hot with 24/7 global support. Chat, email, you name it. Their speed is seriously impressive, and customers rave about it everywhere. BambooHR's support is solid too, just business hours only. But they do have great onboarding walkthroughs and online resources. Still, for availability and responsiveness, Deel knocks it out of the park here.
So where do these two land across the spectrum?
If you mapped it all out, Deel would dominate in global payroll, remote team management, and round-the-clock support, while BambooHR would lead the charge for US-based core HR features, onboarding flows, and employee experience. Both have smart pricing, nice interfaces, and play nice with outside tools, but each shines brightest in its own lane.
You know what? If your team is remote or you're scaling worldwide, Deel is seriously hard to beat. All those international payments and compliance headaches, they just vanish. But if you want everyone in one spot, need great HR tools your staff actually enjoy using, and you're staying mostly stateside, honestly, BambooHR has it all dialed in. Both have strengths, but there's a clear match depending on your needs.
If this helped you figure out which HR tool matches your team, drop a comment with what matchup you want next. And hey, make sure you stick around for more smart head-to-head breakdowns coming soon.